right, so we have a short travel day today. We're leaving the beautiful city of Madrid and catching a train to Zaragoza. Nice looking train station they have here. This is the train. We got almost a 300-kilometer trip ahead of us, but this baby's gonna get us there in about an hour and 15 minutes. I don't know if you can see the speed there, but we're at 295 kilometers an hour. Just got settled into our room here, and right outside the Airbnb pretty well is this building, Basilica del Pilar. It's beautiful. Just out picking up some supplies for the room, but in a couple hours I'm going to be meeting up with some of the local watch fan. Good friend of mine, Adrien. You might know him if you're on Instagram. He is at watch_ADN. He's from the city here, so gonna meet up with him, and there's a couple of other friends of his that are also watch guys just like us, so that should be a lot of fun. Well, I've been walking around for a total of about 20 minutes, and this is a gorgeous city. It's extremely walkable. It seems like everything's just a few minutes away, and it's gonna be awesome. Alright, so just speaking with Adrien, and he's in the area, pretty close to the place where we're staying. His friends couldn't make it tonight, but that's okay. We're, I'm sure, gonna have still a really good time. So he is somewhere around here. Here, let's see if we can locate him. He actually spotted me from a mile away. This is the legend, Adrien. All right, we got a few watches out. This is part 1 of 2 of the meetups with Adrien here, having a G&T. All right, we're just moving to the next spot here. Aerotech on wrists. Adrien's got the Spirit. Okay.
That is, it means the tube.
The tube?
Yes, because it's the streets are very narrow.
Yeah. Checking out some Seikos on the way to the next stop here.
The tapas is what they have there.
Yeah. Getting a pretty good little tour here. What do they actually call it here? El Tubo?
The tube.
Wow. Salute.
Cheers.
So had an excellent time with Adrien last night. It was so fun, we might even do it again tonight. He gave me a great little tour of the city, and today we're just out to see some of the sights. Here's our first stop, the Museo del Foro. All right, we got our tickets. Yep. And we're heading down. Whoa. Look at all of this. Model of the space here. It's a very small building up top, but there's a lot happening underground. This is much more impressive than I expected. Really neat. Craziest thing about this place is there is like nobody here. It's almost totally empty. Oh, looks like there's a spot you can go kind of underneath things there. Let's see what we got in here. This is the sewage area? Yeah. Ooh. Wipe the place here. Lots more happening in there than I expected. That was so cool. There's actually 5 museums that are all kind of connected. You can get a pass to all 5 for only €9. We're not going to do all 5, but we'll at least hit one other one that I walked by the other day that looks really interesting too. All right, we're just about to the next stop. If you're in the area, need your Seiko serviced, it's the place. Here is our next stop, Museo del Patro. Got a pretty large model of the theater that we're going to be going to here shortly. Got some glass floors here. New kicks. Wrist check. Marathon. Look at that sight. Good job on the roof here to cover it up, keep it out of the weather. It's pretty amazing. Definitely a must-see if you happen to find yourself here. What are your thoughts?
It's beautiful.
It is. So far, having an awesome time here in the city. We got one more place to visit though before we head back and get ready for dinner. We're visiting the Palace, Aljaferia. Bit of a line here, but pretty short one. Got our ticket. Oh wow. Look at these archways. Look at all the detail work. Oh yeah, look at the stairs there. Cool. The ceilings here are just like crazy. So that was our day in the city of Zaragoza. Surprised there's not more tourists here because there's so much stuff to do, but kind of thankful there isn't at the same time. Stopped for a little refuel, and we've got nice little Sammy here, some ham, pork loin, duck mousse, and olive oil. Oh yeah. Delish. Last night here in Zaragoza, and we're back together with Adrien out to grab some tapas. First stop is La Repubblica. This is cool in here. Oh, this is our first dose of tapas here. We got quite the selection. Pretty cool restaurant here. Alright, well that was totally awesome. The spot to be, El Tubo. Quite the happening spot here. It all looks pretty tasty to me. There's a lot of options, man. Just parted ways with Adrien. It's our last night here. Tomorrow we're heading for Barcelona, but just wanted to give Adrien a huge thank you for being so hospitable and making a good trip great. Also thanks to his wife and son for lending him to us a couple of days. His son, by the way, he's into swimming, and I hear he's going to be the next Michael Phelps, so look out for that. But appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon.